Hi, this is a MacBook Pro Retina display 15-inch. The procedure is the same for the 13-inch, and this is a 2013 model right now, but 2012 is the same. What you will need is a T5 screwdriver, as well as a Retina display or MacBook Air pentalobe screwdriver. It's not the same as for the iPhone. You will need these two screwdrivers. If you try to use any other screwdrivers, then you're just going to end up destroying the screws. So it's a T5 and a pentalobe for Retina display. Now the first step you'd have to do is unscrew the 10 screws, then lift up the bottom, then you will see here this is the flash drive. So you can put in 256, 512 or 768 gigabyte. For this you'll then need your T5 screwdriver to unscrew the screw that is here, and then simply remove the flash drive, put the new one in, secure it with a screw, put the case back on, put in the 10 screws, and you're done. The whole procedure should not take you more than 5 minutes.